Ah, quinoa, that little grain that's been making big waves in the world of health food. But what makes it so special? And why should you, yes, you, consider adding it to your diet? Let's dive in and find out. First off, quinoa isn't actually a grain. Surprised? It's a pseudo-cereal more closely related to spinach and beets than to wheat or oats. This means it's naturally gluten-free, making it a fantastic option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Now, onto the benefits. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse. It's one of the few plant foods that's considered a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. For vegans and vegetarians, finding foods that provide complete protein can be challenging, making quinoa an invaluable part of a plant-based diet. But that's not all. Quinoa is also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's high in magnesium, which helps regulate nerve and muscle function, and B vitamins, essential for energy production. Plus, it's got antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antidepressant effects. Integrating quinoa into your diet is a breeze. It cooks up in just about 15 minutes. Use it as a base for salads, stir it into soups, or substitute it for rice in your meals. It's versatile and takes on the flavors of whatever you cook it with. Here's a quick tip. Always rinse quinoa under cold water before cooking. This removes the saponin, a natural coating that can make it taste bitter. So whether you're looking to boost your protein intake, cut down on gluten, or just add some variety to your meals, quinoa might just be what you're looking for. Give it a try, and who knows, it might become a new staple in your kitchen. Remember, eating well isn't just about following trends, it's about finding foods that nourish your body and fit with your lifestyle. And hey, if it tastes good too, that's a bonus, right? Here's to your health and adding a bit of quinoa magic to it. Cheers.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.